Bgp Auto Summary. In the previous command, I explained how the Bgp network command works. When we enable Auto Summary for BGP, the way the network command works changes slightly. Normally, when you advertise a network in BGP, you have to type the exact network and subnet mask that you want to advertise, or it won't be placed in the BGP table. With Auto Summary enabled, you can advertise a classful network and you don't have to add the mask parameter. BGP will automatically advertise the classful network if you have the classful network or subnet of this network in your routing table. Let me give you an example to explain what I'm talking about. Alright, looks like we have two routers. One of them is in AS1, the other is in AS2. They're connected via a fast Ethernet link, and each of them have an address on the 192.168.12/24 address space. And it looks like router 1 also has a loopback interface with a /32 of 1.1.1.1. So let's replicate this in GNS3. Alright, save this too. I think we're at number 10. I insert a picture. Oh, I have to create a project first. Auto Summary. Yeah. Oh no, did I do this already? Probably started it, but didn't complete it. So, live. Alright, cool. Number 10. Oops, not this one. Sweet, got our two routers there, gonna connect them via fast Ethernet 0/0. What else? I think that's all I need as for links. So I'm going to start all the nodes. Then this button opens up a terminal for each node that's open. Alright, cool. Alright, let's start by configuring router 1. Configure terminal, interface, fast Ethernet 0/0, IP address 192.168.12.1 with a mask of /24. Turn up this interface. Then I'll create the loopback interface. LO0, okay. IP address 1.1.1.1 with a /32. Okay. I don't need to no shut this because loopback interfaces are on by default. Alright, moving on to router 2. T interface fast Ethernet 0/0/0. IP address 192.168.12.2. Subnet mask of a /24. No shut. Doesn't look like R2 will have a loopback interface, so I guess I'm done there. Let's move back to NetworkLessons. These routers are configured with eBGP. There's a loopback interface on R1 with this address. Here's the configurations. Alright, let's start inputting some configurations in there. So we're back at R1, router HP, and the autonomous system number is 1. There's a log statement there. I don't think that's necessary for this this lesson, but we'll enter it in anyways. Alright, neighbor 192.168.12.2 of router 2, which has a remote autonomous system number of 2. Alright, cool. Alright, over at router 2, router BGP autonomous system number 2, BGP log neighbor changes, and we're going to input the neighbor statement of 192.168.12.1 for router 1's interface with a remote autonomous system of 1. Then can we do mem, and back to R1. Configuration is straightforward. We only configured eBGP, no networks have been advertised, and no auto summary, and auto summary is disabled. Let's see if we can advertise the classical network 1.0.0.0/8. Okay. Network 1.0.0.0. Okay. And wants me to verify with show IP BGP 1.0.0.0. It's not in the table. Show IP route 0. But it is listed as a connected route. Huh. Cool. As expected, there is nothing on the BGP table since we required the exact network and subnet mask. Let's enable auto summary now so that you can see the difference. I think what it might be forgetting is that kind of want to verify with R2 as well, even though we already know that it's not going to be on there. Show IP route. Nope. Okay. Alright, configure terminal. Got to BGP configurations with autonomous system 1. Let's enable auto summary. Do right mem. And show IP BGP. And it looks like it'll be advertising the 1.0.0.0 classical network again. So, seeing that, we go over here, show IP route. That classical network is now listed. So let's see if we can ping something from that subnet. And it works. Awesome. Alright, I think that's pretty much it for this lesson. R1 now has the entry for classical network 1.0.0.0/8. It was able to install this in the BGP table because auto summary is enabled, and we have 1.1.1.1/32 in our routing table. This network will also be advertised to R2, which we already verified. I guess that's all there is to it. No real form replies, so cool. This is going to be a short video. I will start another stream in a moment when we move on to the next lesson. BRB.